And the second deeper regret is suffering. People regret about their decision to suffer a lot and to enjoy the life less. And I think that it is the right thing to regret about and to think about, because so many times the sufferings are not the part of our journey. We attach suffering with ourselves. Suppose you are required to do a college project and it will take you around 8 hours. You stressed a lot, you suffered a lot, and in the end you somehow do that. Now, what if you didn't attach the stress and suffering and you just do the project and enjoy it? Number of hours will not change, the project will not change, but your suffering will be less. And Naval Ravikant once said that if I get my life again, I would do the same things over and over again, but with the less suffering, because suffering is optional, it is not necessary. And I can give you an example from the history. John D. Rockefeller, he was the richest person in the modern history. He made around $600 billion, but in his 50s, he lost all of his hair due to the stress, and he once said that all of the money I made haven't compensated for the stress that I've been through. Andrew Carnegie, the second richest person in the modern history, after making that initial $5 to $10 million, Carnegie made a promise with himself that I'm not going to do more than 2 hours of work a day. And he kept that promise till the day he died. He made around $400 million and he chose a different path. Goal of both Rockefeller and Carnegie was same, but one chose a path with the less suffering and other chose a path with the more suffering. Many times we choose the hard decision because we think that it is necessary. We think that in order to get something worthwhile, we must go through the pain and struggles. Why? Especially if the easy path is available. Why create unnecessary struggle for ourselves? Why walk with the knife in our foot? So everything you are doing, do the same thing, but with the less struggle, with the less emotional turmoil, and attached as minimum suffering as possible.